Oof, time to do the edging and trimming. I've been mowing constantly, but I haven't fired up my trimmer yet. That's a problem. What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me again today. Before we go firing up this bad boy here, I drained the tank completely last year, so it is totally bone dry. No gas left in it. I think that helps to make it easier to start the next year, because then you'll have fresh gas. Some people say top it off and stabilize the fuel and just let it be, but I like to drain stuff. That's just my personal preference. So before we do that, I need to mix up some fresh gas. New product I'm going to be trying this year is some new 2-cycle oil. This is Echo RedArmor. This is, I believe, a semi-synthetic or just a standard. And it's FD rated, so if you don't know anything about oil ratings, look up oil classification. This is JSO FD. So this is high quality. I believe there's like 3 or 4 different gradings. The FD is just like a grade of oil. So this is a Japanese grading system for oil. This is top tier stuff. It's got lots of extra additives in it. If we look at the label right here, it tells you how to mix it. Add 2.6 ounces for 50 to 1. And I believe Echo RedArmor also cleans your engine as you run it. So this has, it's like got this red tint to it, which, if I'm thinking correctly, it might have a little bit of this stuff in it as well. If anyone's ever used Marvel Mystery Oil before, it's just like a cleaner oil basically. So I put that in my mowers and trimmers every once in a while. I think it helps keep things running a little bit smoother and keeps things clean. I mean, I don't know. I think it just helps preserve the gas and keeps your carburetor from clogging up. So I usually put this stuff in, but it looks like this already has it mixed in, possibly. Don't mark my words on that, I'm just totally guessing. They also sell this in pre-mixed 2.6 ounce containers, so you can buy a little tiny jug for like $4. It makes 1 gallon of gas. I bought the big jug because it was cheaper to buy it in bulk like this. It has a measuring spout. You just take it like this, give it a squeeze until it hits 2.6 ounces. Mixed with 1 gallon of gas. Now this is my mixed gas, separate from my straight gas. I'll go ahead and get that mixed up. Before I fire this thing up for the first time this season, it's been sitting since November. It is now second week of May. It has not been fired up in that long. I loosened up the spark plug with, what size is this? 3/4 inch. This is the original spark plug that came with the thing, so I'm going to take a look. There's a little bit of oil around there. It's dirty, but it looks like it's in good shape. So if you guys can take a look at that. Here's a test that I'm going to do with the Echo RedArmor. Before and after, I'm going to run this stuff. It's going to be a long-term test of this oil. So I'm going to start running it this season. I ran it all season with traditional oil with nothing mixed in with it. Here's the current condition of the spark plug. Give you a good look at that. A little bit of buildup, but it looks like it's still a good spark plug. If you need to replace your spark plug on your SRM-225, this is an NGK spark plug, model PM8Y. That is for the 21.2 cc model. So we're going to take that, put this back in. We'll feed it this oil all season long, and we'll do a long-term review and see what kind of condition that spark plug is in and see how this thing runs long-term. So this is going to be a long-term review of this product. So stick around for a future video for this. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see some future videos of this. Alright, I'll get my spark plug screwed back in, we'll get this fired up. 1 gallon. I'm mixing it a little rich. I'm at about 3 ounces or so, even though it asks for 2.6. So we're closer to a 40 to 1 mix here. Screw that back on. Give it a good shake. Look what that did to the tank. The gas is tinted red. So you guys know I'm not cheating. There is no fuel in the line. First time starting it this year. Primer bulb's totally dry. Alright. That's good. 4 pulls after sitting for 6 months. covered in grass. What do I think of this? This new Echo RedArmor? Well, it's too early to tell. It's running cleanly, and it's got plenty of power. I only ran like, what, a quarter tank through it maybe. But it does have a unique smell to it. The oil mix and the gas kind of has like a sweet smell to it. Not so much a petroleum oil burning smell like with the other stuff. So guys, if you like this video, hit subscribe. Leave a comment below if you got any questions. Until next time, thanks for watching.